Alright guys, so I'm working out in the garage right now and it's kind of hot. So there's the power, so that's done. And then in here, there's the workbench. So that's looking pretty good. We're gonna be putting that together here in just a second. And out here in my truck, I got a couple more TVs. Take a look at those a little bit later. Alright, so I'm gonna put this thing together, or that's the ultimate game plan for tonight. And then I'm probably gonna put it up against this wall right here. And yeah. Alright, so this table actually went together really quite nice. And I'm gonna start moving this stuff right here, and I'm gonna set it up right here, and let's take a closer look at it. Alright, so that's what it's looking like right now. I might lower it. Might be a little high for me to work on. Now the tabletop itself, I can feel there's a little bit of waviness right here. It's not perfectly flat. It's actually kind of hilly. But overall, tabletop feels pretty good. There's a little bit of a high spot right here. Oh, right here too. So, but overall, I mean, it's going to do what I need it to do. I could probably flatten this out a little bit over here if I really wanted to. But yeah. So now I got to clean up all this trash. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I ended up lowering the table some, so now it's at a slightly better height for me. Lowering it when it's standing up is not so easy, so yeah, definitely adjust it before you stand it up. But you can handle it. It's a little heavy. Anyway, I gotta get the TVs out of there. Then I might sort these TVs out real quick and I'll show you what I'm talking about them, because I got a few of them stacking up now. Anyway, let me get to the next step. Alright, so I got this TV plugged in and we can see where it's cracked. Screen works, so that's good. This has some good parts in it, and we have a good power cord for it, so that's always nice. So now that I can't do this with one hand, I can't. I had to put you guys down for a second. Couldn't do it with one hand, and now I'm checking this one. I haven't checked this one yet. And this one seems like it might be a dud. It's trying. This one does not work. Alright, I just checked. This TV doesn't work. That TV works. That TV works. This one I don't think I'm gonna mess with. I'm gonna have to look at it. The one that's behind that one I might. I haven't checked that one right there yet, so let's grab this power cord and let's go check it. So I actually kind of forgot about this TV, so we're checking at the same time. Alright, it's plugged in and it works. Wow, that one's cracked pretty good too. Alright, so I got that one right there, I got that one up there, that one doesn't, and this one works. So this one I might mess with, I don't know yet. This one is going to be good as it is, so this one is going to be parted out. Cord, all that will be all sold, and the lighting in here is terrible, I know. But this will be taken care of soon, and I'm gonna have to put this TV over here, these over there, and then I have to clean up my tools. Did bought a Brothers printer. It's still in the box, and my drink is sitting on top of all of that, so yeah, fantastic. Don't really have too much going on in here right this second, but things are kind of shaping up in here, and I'm still waiting for this new hammer handle to dry out. I actually am wondering how's it doing. You probably can't see that. It's going to be a hammer handle. That's going to be coming up in a future video. But yeah, that TV works. Anyway, I think that's going to be the end for tonight. I'm pretty whooped. Anyway, so this is where I'm going to say thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. I got some more content coming when I can. I've been busy. I got gypped on some of these TVs. I was told that they all worked. I haven't gotten around to testing them. But hey, I got the Workbench up, so that's nice. Anyway, good night, y'all. I need some sleep. Peace.